prep already that structure. It's a jackal, black jackal coming. Remember this looks like these guys have
When I first saw you,
the jackal. Remember these are scavengers. They were around just to try and see if they can have something from what was being killed.
my friends they argue. I couldn't raise you on my own.
Don't move. Wow.
But I was sure that you were meant to be with me. You were my angel, set from above to set me free. Let's get in my car, and I will take you for a ride. Go to the forest, greet all the customers inside.
Pack of wild dog.
I won't forget all that you've done for my life. My only hope is you're up there chasing.
I can't believe we are seeing wild dog behavior. This is outrageous. So these wild dogs saw some impalas that went that way, and now they're following them, although they're fully eating. That's a jackal. There's always a jackal around. Yes.
So they left their area where we saw them this morning when we were coming back to camp.
Yeah.
It's about maybe 3 kilometers from
Right.
And when I needed answers,
Oh my God, they're all
I
came.
just looked into
I just need to
your
sit
eyes.
down. I can't stand up.
Now I don't know
Oh my God.
all of the love you felt inside.
Crazy. Really crazy.
My only hope is you're up there chasing butterflies.
He lost. They like us. Hello, our dogs. Hello, you. Wow. Look what he's doing. What happened? Why did he reverse? What happened?
Another day, another time.
Uniformitarianism. They're all running away. The dogs must be coming. The dogs must be coming. Wow.
Until then, just keep on chasing butterflies.
Goodbye, dogs.